Ciao, fellow Vita comrades, and welcome! We all found ourselves greatly attached to our favorite Vita overclock plugin, PSVshell, but now it's time for upgrade, PSVshell Plus. And in today's video, we are checking out its installation, functions, and we are comparing it to OG PSVshell. So let's get into it. First and foremost, big up to the developer Graphene for making it happen, it's greatly appreciated. Now to the installation. First, delete or disable original PSVshell plugin. Then, delete profiles folder from the UR0 data/PSVshell. Then, download the latest release, right now it's version 1.1, and it consists of 3 separate parts: .skprx, .suprx, and .rco. Move suprx and skprx to UR0 type folder and add the lines in the config.txt, one under kernel section and the other one under main section. Then move the .rco into UR0 data/PSVshell folder, and the last step, reboot your Vita, and voila, PSVshell Plus is all yours to enjoy. Now to the functionality. It provides same overclocking functions like PSVshell, cause you can't overclock the Vita any further. However, now it is with more customizability, with fully GPU accelerated heads-up display, and with full quick menu integration. That means you don't need to press select and up combination to bring the menu up, but you just long press PS button and the menu will be nicely displayed under the quick menu tools at the very bottom. You can set the CPU, GPU and X-bar clock speeds, log the values, save the profiles for different apps, plus you can also set HUD mode as an off, FPS, mini or full. You can also set its position for upper left or right or bottom left or right corner. You cannot set the position at the original PSVshell, so this is a big step up. You also couldn't play with full HUD on the OG PSVshell, cause it could only be displayed in the center. You can also set memory tracking target, not exactly sure what this one is good for, but it's here. There are also more subtle differences between the two, like mini HUD on the Shell Plus is all black, no green or red values are shown. Also the FPS counter is not as bright green, and to me it seems the font on the numbers is also a bit different. Overall, I'm very glad we have received PSVshell Plus. GPU accelerated HUD and quick menu integrations are big upgrades, plus the added customizability, it's all very useful and nice to have. You are still absolutely fine to overclock even with the normal PSVshell, cause it serves basically the same purpose, with minor deviations, so it's up to you to decide, but I would recommend to at least give it a shot and decide afterwards. I'm also not entirely sure if it works for non-Enzo, non-permanent custom firmwares, like for 3.67 Plus. I was trying it for 3.68 Agent Core and I couldn't make it to run. If anybody knows, let me know in the comment section down below. If you like this content and you wanna support the channel, you can now become a member from just 99 cents. Big up to the channel member Jarek Smith. Big up to you for watching, big up to developers for hard work. Like, subscribe, join. Check out the links, check out Discord, you'll have a good one, and peace out!